25-year-old Daniel Thomas Dodd mined Jamaica's first medal at the 2018 edition of the IAAF World Indoor Championships on a day that saw 4 Jamaicans competing in 3 finals.
A national indoor record for shot putter Daniel Thomas Dodd gave Jamaica its first medal at the World Indoor Championships in Birmingham, England. The 25-year-old Thomas Dodd, in her third attempt, threw 19.22 meters for silver behind world leader Hungarian Anita Martin, who pipped her for a medal in London 2017 at the Outdoor Championships.
This is Thomas Dodd of Jamaica in third place at the moment. This is the third round, and that's a big throw out across the 19-meter mark for the Jamaican record holder.
Yeah, I think she's come in there with 19.09. So let's see if she's got that. And it definitely looks like she has, and she knew it.
Martin threw 19.62 meters, with Chinese Gong Lijiao getting bronze in 19.08 seconds. On the track, Elaine Thompson was
Here's Elaine Thompson, missed out in London at the World Championships after a great year in Rio.
After mining bronze in 2016, lined up in a world-class field that included Ivorian's Muriel Ahori, who defeated her in the semi-finals, Marie-Josette Lou, Daphne Skippers, and fellow countrywoman Rochelle Burchell.
They're away first time. It's a really good start from Ahuri. She's got a yard on Thompson to loop up this one. This is all about Ahuri, and Ahuri, world champion in 6.97 seconds. She was sensational in the semi-final, but she's even better now.
Thompson finished out of the medals in 4th in a time of 70 seconds, with Ahuri winning in a world lead 6.97 seconds, ahead of her countrywoman Marie-Josette Lou, 7.05 seconds. Another final involving a Jamaican saw Damar Forbes finishing 15th in the men's long jump with a leap of 7.21 meters. Juan Miguel of Cuba won with a jump of 8.46 meters. National champion Aisha Pratt made it through as one of the fastest losers to Saturday's final of the women's 1500 meters. She finished third in her heats in a time of 4 minutes 7.51 seconds behind Genziba Dibaba of Ethiopia and Lara Muir of Great Britain.
With 100 meters to go in the race, Muir has also managed to pull away from Pratt. So these two medalists just last night are going to qualify through after the first round of the women's 1500 meters. Dibaba from Muir. That's the 1-2, and the 2 automatic qualifiers going through to the final.
Meanwhile, only one Jamaican, Tavika Jenkins, will be in the 400-meter finals. Jenkins came second in her semi-final in 52.42 seconds to be in the last 8. Stephanie McPherson was disqualified for a lane violation after crossing the line first in her semi-final. And Javon Francis failed to make it to the men's 400-meter finals after finishing 4th in his semis. In Saturday's third day of competition, 5 Jamaicans will be in action in the morning session, which starts at 5 a.m. Jamaica time, along with the 2 4x400-meter teams. Live coverage can be seen on TVJ and TVJ Sports Network. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.